Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see the unboxing of Amazon Alexa Echo Dot latest generation. So as you can see, I've received the package today. I've ordered it long back. So it's the Amazon Echo Dot third generation, and there are thousands of skills. I think the skills are what separates Alexa from the other Bluetooth smart speakers. So, and it's one benefit is it has speakers all around it, so that your voice can be heard from anywhere of the room, and it has a lot of features from where like turning on the smart light, or it works on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and audio line in out as well. So this is the Alexa. So let's unbox it. Yeah, so this is the Alexa. I've ordered black version only because white version is very much susceptible to the dust, and this will be lying in the open space. And so here is the Alexa, and let me place it here. And we have received two manuals. I think one is in other language and this one is for English, I guess. Okay, getting to know your Echo Dot, microphone off. So this button is microphone off, and plus minus to will be the volume rockers, and this one will be the action button. So you have to plug in the Echo Dot and wait for the Alexa to say hello. Download the Alexa app in the mobile and connect to a speaker. This is an optional option. Optional. Getting started with your Echo Dot. Echo Dot works best when placed in central location, at least 220 centimeters from the walls. You can put your Echo Dot in variety places on a kitchen counter. Talking to Echo Dot, just say Alexa. So let me plug it in. I'll pull in a spike buster for this. So let me see what else they have given in the box. They have given the power adapter for the Alexa, and I don't find anything else in the box. So that's it. Let's put the box and this manuals aside. So now I'll plug in the device. So you can see the wire is pretty big. Okay, so finally I managed to, yeah, you can see the lights coming on. I think, as they said, we have to wait for the Alexa to say hello. I think Alexa first says hello and then we can get started with it. So plug into your Echo Dot and Alexa, wait for Alexa to say hello. I think you can hear the sound. Let me move this. I'm going to give you a closer look.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Okay, let me do that. So let me now download the Alexa app. So I'll just type in the first link is Amazon Alexa. I'll click on that and install. I think after downloading the Amazon Alexa app, I have to add the Echo Dot as a device to that, and then I can set up the device. So I'll sign in with my Amazon account. So I've entered the Amazon details and that's it. So I'll set my name. So if you're someone else, you can click that. So I think Alexa will call you with this name. I'll click on give Amazon permissions. Things to get started with Alexa app. Now I'll go to the devices. You can see in the menu. I'll click on add devices. You can even add your smart lights like e-light as well. So now I'll click on Echo and Alexa. This is the first option. And you can see Surya's Echo Dot, it's offline. So let me click on that. Let me click on plus. Add device. So I'll click on Amazon Echo. I'll click on Echo Dot. Yeah, it's asking me for the generation. Click on third generation. I'll click on allow. Turn on the Bluetooth. So I've turned on the Bluetooth. Searching for the devices. Okay, you can see Echo JHN it's found. So I think through this only Alexa device works. So I'll select the Wi-Fi. So it's connecting the Echo Dot to Wi-Fi. This may take a few minutes. I think the signal is a little weak. The Echo Dot is finally connected. Click on continue. Do you want to connect it?
Your device is ready.
No, skip. So I don't want to connect it to external Bluetooth speakers. I'll click on no skip. Where's the Echo Dot? I'll say bedroom. Continue. So you might have heard the beep from Alexa saying device is connected. Alexa. So it's working. Hi. What's the news? I think because of weak signal only it was not working. So let me turn it on. The basics of Echo.
Welcome to your new Echo Dot. Now you can add Alexa to any room. Use your voice to check the news and play music. Control compatible smart home products, and more. All hands-free. Use the crisp and clear built-in speaker or connect Echo Dot to your own speakers through Bluetooth or with an audio cable. Start by saying the wake word, Alexa.
I think
You'll
here
know
is
she's
the
ready when the
audio
light ring
cable.
turns blue.
Audio jack.
Ask her to play a song, artist, or genre. Alexa, play rock songs.
Here's a station for rock music.
With multi-room music, you can play songs on compatible Echo devices in different rooms.
Alexa,
At the same time,
play songs.
even ask Alexa to tell you a joke. Alexa's always getting smarter, with tens of thousands of skills available.
Here's a playlist you might like. Best of Sonam Kapoor on Amazon Music.
Discover even more things to try. Just ask Alexa, what can you do? Welcome to your new Echo Dot, and say hello to a world made for your voice.
So let's play around with Alexa a bit. Alexa, what's the time now?
It's 8:50 p.m.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Once, a cow was walking in reverse and singing, Dilo Mom Kare.
Alexa, do you know who is Siri?
Siri is a virtual assistant that is part of Apple Incorporated's iOS, watchOS, macOS, and tvOS operating systems.
Alexa, can I call you Siri?
That's not a name I can respond to.
Okay, Alexa, turn yourself off. Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Tuesday, March 5th.
Chalo, so that's what is the unboxing of new Alexa Echo Dot third generation. Hope you have liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any queries related to this, then let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Bye. Have a nice day.
You say you wanna try, but you never